From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody, and welcome back. We are going to be very, very cold today with high temperatures only in the single digits. This is why it is a Storm Tracker 2 alert day. Let's take a look at our CAV tower camera overlooking the city of Utica. We are seeing mostly clear skies here in Utica, and we will be seeing partly cloudy skies today, so we do not have to worry about any more snow coming in. But we do have a wind chill warning and some advisories in effect until 3 p.m. The advisory is in effect for Otsego and the southern part of Herkimer County in effect till 3 p.m. And those warnings are in the gray for Oneida, Lewis, and the northern part of Herkimer County until 3 p.m. This is because we are going to be seeing 20 to 25 degrees below zero wind chill. And with these numbers, frostbite can happen within 30 minutes of being outside with your exposed skin. So if you are going outside today, make sure you do bundle up and don't stay outside for too long. Now, on our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, we were just seeing a few snow flurries down south this morning, but most of our areas are dry, and we are looking to remain dry today and partly cloudy. So at least we will have the sunshine to kind of help warm us up a little bit. Now, this is all because an Arctic front had moved through the area late last evening and into this morning, creating very, very cold temperatures across our region. And even down south of us in Pennsylvania, they are going to be seeing very cold temperatures today as well. Now, right now at the Griffith Park Airport in Rome, we are measuring 1 degree below zero for the temperature. It is mostly cloudy there, but once again, we are going to be seeing partly cloudy skies today. I did want to take a look at today's high temperatures. So up in the North Country, all ranging around zero for the high temperature today. Some areas not even reaching above zero. For the Mohawk Valley, we are looking at the single digits, very low, ranging between 2 and 7 degrees for the high temperature today. And down in the Southern Valley, it's just a little bit warmer, ranging between 4 to 8 degrees for the high temperature. Good thing is that we are going to warm up tomorrow. This looks to be the coldest day of the year thus far, and it doesn't look to see any more cold days like this ahead in our 7-day forecast. We are also seeing a little bit of a wind speed, so we are measuring 7 miles per hour at the Griffith Park Airport in Rome, so we are seeing a little bit of a wind chill. This is at 5:30 a.m. Wind chill temperatures down in the teens to 20s below zero, and it does look to remain this way for the course of the day. Now, once we get into the afternoon hours, it is starting to warm up just a little bit, and in the evening hours, we will be warming up in wind chill to kind of the single digits below zero, and overnight tonight, we will be warming up to the teens for the low temperature. Now let's look at this on our Skycast. We are going to be seeing partly cloudy skies today. Once again, highs only in the single digits. As we head into the overnight hours, we will see increasing clouds and our temperatures will be in the teens. For our high temperature tomorrow, we are looking at the low 30s, a possible snow shower up north, but it is going to be mostly cloudy. Now for today, we are going to be seeing partly cloudy skies with highs just in the single digits. Overnight tonight, looking at temperatures rising to the teens, and we will see increasing clouds. So it is going to feel a lot better tomorrow than today. We have high temperatures in the low 30s and a few possible snow showers once again on Thursday. Back to you, Gary.
Thanks. In less than a month, Team USA takes...
We're saying good morning to Oriskany and all of the greater Utica region. We do have another alert day in store for today. This is because we are going to be seeing widespread bitterly cold temperatures. This morning, wind chill values go as low as 25 below zero. So if you are heading outside today, make sure you do bundle up. Exposed skin outside can cause frostbite in 30 minutes with these wind chill numbers. So let's look at the temperatures versus the wind chill. This is recorded at the Griffith Park Airport in Rome. We are below zero all morning, looking to reach above zero in the afternoon hours, but the wind chill numbers still say below zero all day, so it is going to be a very cold day in store today. So once again, make sure you do bundle up. The sidewalk this morning could be a little bit snowy, and there are going to be a little bit of some icy spots because any snow accumulation yesterday that didn't really get cleaned up definitely froze overnight last night and will remain frozen today. So just watch out for icy spots on the sidewalk. I'll have a look at your commute forecast coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Continuing coverage of a fire.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody, and welcome back. We are waking up very cold this morning. All of our temperatures are below zero. We will only reach a high temperature in the single digits today. So let's take a look at our CAV tower camera overlooking the city of Utica. Good news is that we're not really going to be seeing any precipitation today. We are going to be seeing partly cloudy skies in all of our areas. Now, we are still under some wind chill warnings and advisories, so these are all in effect until 3 p.m. this afternoon. The areas in the warnings are Oneida County and the northern part of Herkimer County. This is where wind chill temperatures can drop to 20 to 25 degrees below zero, and that is when frostbite happens in 30 minutes to exposed skin. Areas under the wind chill advisory are Otsego and the southern part of Herkimer County. Still be careful at all if you are heading outside today. It is going to be very, very frigid with temperatures only in the single digits for the high. But on the Yorkville Battery, Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, seeing not really any activity in our area. We are just seeing a few snow flurries down south, but it is going to remain dry for the day today. It is just going to be very, very cold. Now, this is all because an Arctic front has moved through the area overnight last night, dropping our temperatures all below zero. We are only going to rise for the single digits for the high temperature today, but come tomorrow, it is going to feel a lot better with highs in the low 30s. So it is going to feel like quite a difference as we get into tomorrow. Right now, at the Griffith Park Airport in Rome, we are measuring 1 degree below zero for the temperature right now. And once again, here's a look at the high temperatures. For the North Country, some areas not even reaching above zero. We are looking at temperatures below zero for the highs and just kind of ranging around 0 to 2 degrees. Now, for the Mohawk Valley, we are looking to range between 3 to 7 degrees for the high temperature of today. And down in the Southern Valley, it's just a little bit warmer, ranging between 4 to 8 degrees for the high temperature today. So it is just going to be very frigid outside today. If you can avoid going outside, I would definitely do that. I would be staying inside, bundle up, if I didn't have to come into work. So we are seeing these very cold temperatures, and we are also seeing a little bit of a breeze. We are measuring 7 miles per hour at the Griffith Park Airport in Rome. I know this isn't a lot, but with these temperatures, it can affect that temperature a lot, bringing the wind chill down to way below zero. So here's a look at some of the wind chill temperatures. This is for 6 a.m. this morning, ranging between the teens to 20 degrees below zero. If we do keep fast forwarding through the day, it is going to remain like this until the afternoon hours. The afternoon hours is when those wind chill temperatures will be in the single digits to the low teens, and then overnight tonight it will really drop down to just the single digits. Now let's look at this on our Skycast. We are seeing partly cloudy skies for the day today. Once again, high temperatures only in the single digits. Overnight tonight, we are warming up and we will see increasing clouds. We have low temperatures in the teens. Now for the day tomorrow, it is going to be mostly cloudy, feeling a lot better. Looking like highs are going to be in the low 30s. We do have a chance for some snow showers up north. But for today, we have a high just in the single digits. It is going to be partly cloudy outside. Overnight tonight, we are going to be seeing an increase in clouds and also an increase in temperature with lows in the teens. Now, so that is why today is our Storm Tracker 2 alert day. We are going to be very, very frigid for today. Tomorrow is going to feel a lot better with highs in the low 30s, and a chance of snow returns on Thursday. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. The local high school.
Welcome back. We are definitely waking up with a frost on the cars this morning. We did see some more lake effect snow last night, and temperatures got very low last night. So I would give yourself a little extra time to go outside and scrape that off or get that car starter on for this morning. The good news is that we are going to be seeing mostly sunny skies for today, and we will see a few breaks in the clouds for tomorrow as it warms up. On Thursday, it is going to be way warmer than today, but we do have a chance for some snow showers, so it is going to be overcast, but the sunshine does return on Friday. So now that we kind of had our first biggest snow of the year, or of the season, I should say, here are some of the ski reports that I have received this morning. A lot of the mountains across New York did get a lot of new snow over the course of the past week, so maybe a good time to start skiing if you are into that. I'll have a look at your commute forecast coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. If you live in
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody, and welcome back. We are going to be very, very cold today with temperatures only in the single digits for the high. This is why it is a Storm Tracker 2 alert day. Let's take a look at our Cavity Tower camera overlooking the city of Utica. The good news is that we're not going to see any precipitation today. It is going to be partly cloudy outside. But if we do take a look, we still have some wind chill advisories and warnings in effect. These are all in effect until 3 p.m. today. The areas that are under a wind chill warning are Oneida and the northern part of Herkimer County. The advisories are in the southern part of Herkimer County as well as Otsego County. Once again, in effect until 3 p.m. This is just due to wind chill values getting as low as 25 below zero. And in this level, you can get frostbite in 30 minutes if you do have exposed skin outside. So if you were planning to go outside, make sure you do bundle up and do not stay outside for too long. Now on the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, we are dry in our area, just a few snow flurries down south, but we are going to remain dry today and it is going to be partly cloudy. We received these cold temperatures because this Arctic front had moved through the area overnight last night. If you do look this morning, our temperature does continue to drop. We will warm up to the highs in the single digits today. And it does look to warm up even more overnight as we get into the teens, and then tomorrow it is going to feel much, much better with high temperatures in the low 30s. So right now at the Griffith Park Airport in Rome, we are measuring 2 degrees below zero, but it does feel a little bit colder than that because of the wind. Now here's a look at the high temperatures for today. Up in the North Country, only looking at temperatures ranging around zero. Some areas not even getting above 0 degrees. So it is going to be very cold up there in the North Country. Same here in the Mohawk Valley. We are ranging between 3 to 7 degrees for the high temperature today. In the Southern Valley, it's just a little bit warmer, ranging between 4 and 8 degrees. But again, anywhere in the single digits is very, very cold. And we are going to be seeing a slight breeze, making it feel a lot colder than it is. So we are measuring an 8 or 6 mile per hour wind speed at the Griffith Park Airport in Rome. I know this doesn't seem like a lot, but it does affect the temperature greatly when it is this cold out. So here's a look at some of the wind chill temperatures throughout the day. In the next hour, it is going to be 10 to 20-ish degrees below zero for the wind chill. It is going to kind of remain like that through the day today until we get to the afternoon hours, where it starts to look a little bit better. And then once we get into the evening hours, it just starts to look a little bit better with wind chill temperatures just in the single digits below zero. And overnight tonight, we are going to be warming up quite a bit. So we are partly cloudy today with high temperatures in the single digits. We will see increasing clouds as we get into the overnight hours, as well as increasing temperatures into the teens. Now, as we get into tomorrow, it is going to be mostly cloudy, but we will have high temperatures in the low 30s. There is a chance for a few snow showers up north, but it is going to feel much, much better tomorrow. Now, for today, we just have a high in the single digits. It is going to be partly cloudy. Overnight tonight, we will see increasing clouds, and our temperatures are going to rise into the teens. So that is why today is a Storm Tracker 2 alert day, because it is very, very cold outside, and frostbite can be a problem if you are outside without the proper clothing. We are looking much, much warmer on Wednesday with highs in the low 30s, and it is going to be mostly cloudy. A chance of snow showers is possible on Thursday. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. In less than a month.
We're saying good morning to Oriskany and all of the greater Utica region. Today is another Storm Tracker 2 alert day. This is just because it is going to be bitterly cold, and this is going to be widespread. This morning, wind chill values can get as low as 20 to 25 degrees below zero, so that can cause frostbite within 30 minutes of exposed skin outside. So I would definitely stay inside today if you can. So here's a look at our temperatures versus the wind chill. The temperatures are on top and the wind chill is on the bottom. This morning, our wind chill temperatures are in the upper teens below zero. We are looking at temperatures all below zero here this morning. We will only rise to the single digits for the high today, and our wind chill is going to remain below zero for most of the day. So if you are waking up this morning and are getting ready to head outside, take a look at the sidewalk forecast. It is going to be a little bit snowy today. We did see some lake effect snow showers moving in later on last night. There are also going to be some icy spots today because a lot of the snow that accumulated last night that didn't get treated or anything could also cause some icy spots because temperatures last night definitely dropping into the single digits for quite a while, and we are still below zero here this morning. So just be careful if you are going outside and traveling today. It is going to be very cold. Frostbite is definitely possible, and icy spots are definitely possible on the sidewalks as well. And I'll be taking a look at the commute forecast coming up soon later on in the next couple of minutes. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Continuing.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody. We are waking up very, very cold this morning. Our high temperature is only going to climb to the single digits for the high today. This is why it is a Storm Tracker 2 alert day. Let's take a look at our CAPV tower camera overlooking the city of Utica. We are going to be seeing partly cloudy skies for the day today. So good news is that we're not going to be seeing any precipitation with these very low temperatures. So we do have a couple wind chill warnings and wind chill advisories in effect for the following counties. If you do take a look at our screen here, this is in effect until 3 p.m. today due to -20 to -25 wind chill temperatures possible. In this temperature range, frostbite will happen within 30 minutes of your exposed skin being outside. So I would recommend just staying inside for the day today if you can. If you do plan on going outside, make sure you do bundle up. So the areas in the gray are under that frostbite wind chill warning. That is Oneida County and the northern part of Herkimer County. The areas in the blue are under the advisory. That is Otsego County and the southern part of Herkimer County. Again, this is in effect until 3 p.m. After 3 p.m., our winds will start to become calm for the day. Now, on the Yorkville Battery, Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar is seeing no activities here this morning. We are going to remain dry and partly cloudy for the day today, which is a good thing because we are experiencing very, very low temperatures. This is all due to an Arctic front that had moved through the area last night, allowing for our temperatures to drop into the single digits for the overnight low. We are still below zero here this morning, and we will only reach the single digits for the high. Come tomorrow, we are going to be feeling a lot warmer, a lot better tomorrow, with temperatures in the low 30s for the high. We did get some Skywatch reports coming in this morning. We are all ranging below zero to just above zero. We are looking at 10 below zero in Old Forge, 7 below in Inlet, and 2 below in Westdale. We're at 0 degrees in New Hartford, and if we do go down to the south, still ranging in the single digits and slightly below. We're at 3 in Evanston and in Morris. So it is a very cold morning outside. It is going to be a very, very cold day today. Here's a look at our high temperatures. Only ranging around 0 for the North Country. Some areas and towns not even reaching above 0 for the high temperature of today. In the Mohawk Valley, we are ranging between 3 and 7 degrees for the high temperature. Still very, very cold in the southern valleys. A little bit warmer, ranging between 4 and 9 degrees for the high temperature today. But once again, very, very cold outside. We do have a little bit of a wind speed too, making those wind chill temperatures stay below 0 for all of the day today, which is when frostbite can happen in 30 minutes to any exposed skin. So here's a look at our wind chill temperatures. This is this morning. We are ranging in the teens to 20s below 0, and it will kind of be that way for the morning hours today. Once we get into the afternoon hours, we are getting a little bit better, ranging in the teens to the single digits below 0 for the wind chill temperatures. And tonight we are going to be warming up just a little bit more. So we are going to be partly cloudy today. Our high temperature just in the single digits. Now, as we get into tonight, we will see increasing clouds and increasing temperature. Our temperature tonight will be in the teens. Tomorrow will be mostly cloudy day. A few snow showers are possible up north, and we have high temperatures in the low 30s. So it should feel a lot better tomorrow than today. So for today, a high just in the single digits. We are going to be seeing partly cloudy skies. Overnight tonight, lows drop into the teens, and we will be seeing an increase in clouds. So that is why today is our Storm Tracker 2 alert day, because of very, very frigid weather. Tomorrow feeling a lot better with highs in the low 30s, warming up quite a bit. And on Thursday, we do have a chance for some snow showers before it gets a little bit colder once again for the weekend. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks to local high school sports slate.
Welcome back. Waking up this morning, there definitely is some frost on the cards. We did see another burst of lake effect snow last night, so any snow accumulation that didn't get cleaned off definitely froze overnight as temperatures were in the single digits, and now they are below zero. So I'll give yourself a little extra time to scrape that off this morning or get the car starter started. It is going to be mostly sunny for the day today with a few breaks in the clouds tomorrow. On Thursday, it does look like we could get some snow showers in the area, so it is going to be overcast with the sunshine returning on Friday. Now that we had an actual official, first big snowfall, here's a look at the ski reports as of today that I did get this morning. These are a look at some of the areas across New York, and all of these areas did get some new snow, so it is a good time now to go skiing if you do like skiing or snowboarding. I'll have a look at your day planner coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Time now for the news channel.
Welcome back. Today is another Storm Tracker 2 alert day. This is because we are going to be very, very cold for the day today. This morning, wind chill temperatures can get as low as 25 below zero. And with these temperatures, frostbite can happen within 30 minutes to any exposed skin. So that is why today is a Storm Tracker 2 alert day. So like I said, wind chill temperatures getting as low as 25 below zero this morning. A high today only in the single digits, looking like the high here in Utica will be about 6 or 7 degrees. It is going to be warmer tomorrow, feeling much better with highs in the low 30s. So for today, we have a high of 8 degrees. It is bitterly cold outside. Overnight tonight, we do have a low at 5 below, but our temperature is going to increase throughout the night into the teens, and we will see an increase in clouds. I'll have another look at the warming temperatures coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. New this morning, State Police in...
Welcome back. Today is a Storm Tracker 2 alert day due to very, very frigid weather. So right now at the Griffith Park Airport in Rome, we are looking at 4 degrees below zero. It does feel like this at the moment because we are seeing kind of a calmer wind speed this morning. But if we do look at our temperatures versus our wind chill, our temperatures are only going to rise to the single digits for the high today, and the wind chill is going to stay below zero all day. So it is going to be very, very cold outside today. We are dry on the Yorkville Battery, Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, and we are going to be partly cloudy today. We still have some wind chill warnings in effect for Oneida and the northern part of Herkimer County, and the advisory is in effect for the southern part of Herkimer County and Otsego counties until 3 p.m. this afternoon due to very, very frigid temperatures and a wind chill temperature all below zero. So for the rest of the day, we will see temperatures in the single digits for the high, not really warming up that much today, but we are going to be warming up quite a bit tomorrow. I'll have a look at that coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. A number of schools.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody, and welcome back. We are starting out very, very cold this morning, and we are not looking to warm up that much today. Today is a Storm Tracker 2 alert day. Let's take a look at our CAV tower camera at the early sunrise here overlooking the city of Utica. We are going to be seeing partly cloudy skies today, so good news is that we're not going to be seeing any precipitation. Let's take a look at some of the advisories and warnings that are in place right now. These are all in effect until 3 p.m. today. The southern part of Herkimer County and Otsego County are under wind chill advisories, and Oneida and the northern part of Herkimer County are under wind chill warnings. This is just due to the fact that wind chill values this morning can get as low as 25 degrees below zero. So that is when frostbite can happen within 30 minutes to any exposed skin outside. So if you are heading outside today, make sure you do bundle up in the right amount of clothing. Now on the Yorkville Battery, Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar is seeing no activity in our area, and we are looking to remain dry for the day today. An Arctic front had pushed through our area last night, giving us another quick burst of some lake effect snow showers, but then dropping those temperatures quickly after to below zero here this morning. Once again, we are only looking to rise to the single digits for today. We are going to be warming up tonight, and we will be a lot warmer tomorrow. It is going to feel a lot better. Some Skywatch reports came in this morning. We are looking ranging between below zero temperatures to just above zero. We are all below zero in the North Country and the Mohawk Valley here this morning. But if we do go down south a little bit, they are looking at temperatures just above zero, but then some still below, Charlotte. Cooperstown is at 6 degrees below zero this morning. So we are pretty cold out there, and we are seeing a little bit of a breeze. So these are the high temperatures for today in the North Country, ranging around zero. Some areas not even reaching above zero for the high temperature. In the Mohawk Valley, we are ranging between 3 and 7 degrees for the high temperature, and in the southern valleys ranging between 4 and 8 degrees for the high temperature today. So it is going to be very, very frigid outside today. Make sure you do bundle up, or better yet, just stay inside. Here's a look at some of our wind chill numbers. We are ranging between the teens to the 20s for the wind chill temperatures for this morning into the afternoon. Once we get into the later afternoon, evening hours, these are going to be looking a lot better, ranging in the teens to the single digits. And then once we get into the overnight hours, they will look even better above zero. We are seeing partly cloudy skies for the day today with high temperatures once again only in the single digits. Let's look at tonight. We are going to be seeing an increase in clouds and an increase in temperatures. Temperatures in the teens. Waking up tomorrow with temperatures in the 20s and a high tomorrow in the low 30s with mostly cloudy skies. A few snow showers are possible up north, but feeling a lot better tomorrow. So for today, we have a high in the single digits. We will be seeing partly cloudy skies. Increasing clouds do come in overnight with temperatures in the teens. So even feeling a lot warmer tonight. So today is a Storm Tracker 2 alert day because of these temperatures. Feeling a lot better tomorrow with a chance of some snow coming back in on Thursday.
The coldest day of the year and of the season thus far. We are in the single digits, and with a light wind, the wind chill in some spots, it feels like well below zero. This video is from this morning here in Utica, and it is that kind of cold that just hits you in the face as you try to walk. Meteorologist Hannah Evans joins us now, and Hannah, these can be dangerous conditions.
Yes, definitely. Right now, we are in that period of the wind chill where if you go outside with exposure to your skin, you can get frostbite within 30 minutes of your skin just hitting that cold air. So let's take a look at our current temperatures at the Griffith Park Airport in Rome. It is still 0 degrees there. It hasn't really warmed up that much from this morning, maybe a couple of degrees or so, but it is still 0 degrees. It is dry today, at least on our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. We are remaining dry and mostly sunny for the day today, but taking a look at those wind chill temperatures, we are ranging in the single digits to the teens below zero for what the temperature actually feels like outside. So once again, if you do step outside with your skin exposed right now, frostbite is possible within 30 minutes. For the rest of the day, we are only warming up to the single digits for the high, but I will be tracking those temperatures warming up overnight coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks again. Temperatures in the single digits, wind chills below zero, and there are some people dealing with no heat today. We spoke with the folks over at Fred F. Collis in Yorkville this morning. They're getting those calls from people whose systems aren't heating as well as they should or aren't heating at all. A few quick furnace health tips. One many of us know: change your filter regularly or else it might become plugged and won't produce the right amount of heat. And one tip you might not know: use your system's hold button when it's this cold.
And also, I'm telling people, too, with their programmable thermostats, days they're in the minus numbers, take it off the program and just run it on hold. You know, keep the temperature steady, because the situation with how cold it is outside, it takes the system a lot more energy to keep it working correctly.
Also, a friendly reminder: make sure you have a safe path for your propane or oil delivery people if you do have them. And with the dangerously low wind chills, limiting your time outdoors is strongly recommended, and that definitely includes the homeless. With temperatures below zero, the Utica Rescue Mission is bracing for an increase in clientele. They're doing things like making sure they have enough warm clothing and blankets for those coming in for assistance. These days, though, the shelter needs to worry about more than where they're going to put everybody. They also need to worry about doing it safely during the pandemic.
We don't turn anybody away. We're here, especially during the cold weather months. We are here to see people come in, and we're going to get them out of the elements. Right now, we're at full capacity. Yeah, and during these cold winter months, we will make room. We'll get people out of the cold. We have our service providers that come and they help during the week to help with placement. And so that we have open bed space, or at least we're not getting too over capacity where we can't take people in.
And of course, face masks must be worn in the mission. There is plenty of sanitizer on hand, and disinfecting is done twice a day. Officials say if a client does show symptoms of COVID or isn't feeling well, that person will be isolated and tested for the virus. With these brutally cold temperatures, National Grid wants to remind its customers that there is still time to take advantage of energy programs that can help them pay and manage their winter energy bills. National Grid's Care and Share Fuel Fund is administered by HeartShare Human Services of New York. The program opens in February and will provide an annual $200 grant to National Grid customers who meet HEAP guidelines and have exhausted their HEAP allocation for the year. National Grid also has what it calls arrears supplement grants for those who accumulated past due utility bills up to $10,000. Qualifications, though, are based on income. And besides these programs, there are some tips you can do around your home to help reduce your bill.
A lot of people have space heaters that they use, and we advise that, if you're not using it, to unplug it. Also, too, a lot of people don't realize that if you have things plugged in you're not using on a regular basis, that still pulls energy into the outlet, and you are paying for that. We also talk about, changing the furnace filters, because if they're dirty, they're not working, the furnace isn't working efficiently. And shut off the lights. But with lights, you can always replace them with LEDs that are extremely energy efficient. That really, really does help. And lighting in a home is a real big user and does contribute a lot to the utility bill.
Other tips included turning off your lights when you don't need them. Also use LED lights instead of those older incandescent light bulbs, and make sure your hot water heater is set to no more than 120 degrees. Take a look at this.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome back. What a cold day outside. We are still looking at temperatures near zero and just above here this afternoon. Let's take a look at our CAV tower camera overlooking the city of Utica. We are seeing mostly sunny skies. We are still seeing just a few clouds out there, but once again, our temperatures are still very, very low. We are at least dry on the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. We are just seeing a few snow flurries down south, but other than that, we are looking to remain dry and mostly sunny for the day today. So here's the radar and satellite showing sunshine in our area, but again, it is still very cold. We are looking at a slight breeze coming in from the northwest, bringing in that cold air. We did get very cold today because an Arctic front moved through the area last night, allowing for our temperatures to drop below zero earlier this morning. We are still only looking at temperatures around zero or just above. So we do have a couple wind chill advisories and warnings still in effect right now. The National Weather Service has dropped the warnings and advisory for Oneida, Madison, and Otsego counties. But Herkimer County, the northern part of it, is still under a wind chill warning until 3 p.m., as well as Lewis. The southern part of Herkimer County is still under a wind chill advisory until 3 p.m. today. So if you do go outside, make sure everything is covered. Frostbite can occur within 30 minutes of skin exposure. So here's a look at our temperatures right now, still ranging around zero in the single digits. We are at just 2 degrees in Rome, 1 degree in Whitesboro, also 2 degrees in Dowdesville. If we go down to the southern valleys, we're at 4 degrees in Skenevis and 3 degrees in Hamilton. We are not looking to warm up that much today. Our high temperatures are going to remain just only a couple more degrees above this. So here's a look at our temperatures versus our wind chill. Our temperatures are in the black as the wind chill are in the purple. So our temperatures are looking to rise above zero for the day today, but the wind chill is looking to remain below zero for most of the day. So it is feeling very cold outside. The coldest day of the season thus far. So we are seeing partly cloudy to mostly sunny skies on our Skycast. Our high temperatures are only in the single digits. We will see an increase in clouds tonight and an increase in temperature. We are looking at temperatures in the teens. For tomorrow, we are looking at a high in the low 30s. It is going to feel much better tomorrow, and a few snow showers are possible up north. Now, going into Thursday, once again, we are staying pretty warm. We are looking at temperatures in the low 30s for the high, with a few scattered snow showers throughout the day on Thursday. So for today, we have a high of just 8 degrees. It is bitterly cold outside. Overnight tonight, we do have a low below zero. We will see an increase in temperature and an increase in clouds. So our Storm Tracker 2 alert day is today due to the very low temperatures, but tomorrow is going to feel much warmer, much better. Same thing goes for Thursday before it gets a little bit colder for the weekend. Back to you, Gary.
Feel like Florida tomorrow.
Yes, definitely. Going to feel like a heat wave.
Hannah, thanks. A Maryland man is the first at the weather in this half hour. Once again, here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
We are still looking at temperatures around zero or just above zero this afternoon. It is very cold outside, so make sure you do bundle up before heading outside. Here's a look at our current conditions at the Griffith Park Airport in Rome. We are looking at 0 degrees. It does feel like zero because that wind has calmed down quite a bit. We are dry, though, on the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. We will remain dry for the rest of the day and mostly sunny. But here's a look at our wind chill temperatures right now, feeling like -8 in Utica, -10 degrees in Herkimer, Boonville, and Hamilton. So it is feeling pretty cold outside with these wind chill temperatures. Frostbite is possible within 30 minutes of your exposed skin being outside in this cold air. So just be careful of that if you are heading outside. Today, we will only reach a high temperature in the single digits, but it will be mostly sunny. We are going to warm up overnight and for tomorrow, so I will be tracking that coming up. Back to you, Gary.
And thanks, State Police in
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome back. We are still pretty cold outside with our temperatures around zero or just slightly above. This is why it is still a Storm Tracker 2 alert day. Let's take a look at our CAV tower camera overlooking the city of Utica. The sun is shining pretty brightly outside. We're seeing little to no cloud cover, but again, still very cold with our temperatures around zero. Now, if we do take a look at our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, still seeing no activity in the area. It is going to remain dry for the day today, and it is going to be mostly sunny outside. A little bit blinding if you do ask me. Now, on the radar and satellite, looking like there is little to no cloud cover in the area, but we are going to be seeing an increase in clouds tonight, as well as an increase in temperature. We are going to be into the teens tonight, and we are going to reach a high tomorrow in the low 30s. So it is going to feel pretty toasty tomorrow in comparison to today. We still have some wind chill advisories and warnings in effect. So the warnings for Lewis County and Oneida County has since been dropped, and the advisories for Madison, Shenango, and Otsego counties have been dropped. We still have a wind chill warning for the northern part of Herkimer County in effect till 3 p.m. and an advisory for the southern part in effect till 3 p.m. This is just because it is feeling a lot colder outside than the actual temperature, and frostbite can be an issue if you go outside with any exposed skin for longer periods of time. So let's still take a look at our temperatures right now. Still at 0 degrees up in Lowville, 4 degrees at Rome, 2 degrees in White Sparrow, and also 2 degrees in Dowdesville. Going down to the southern valleys, we are at 5 degrees in Skenevis, 7 degrees in Hamilton. So we are still ranging in the single digits. We are not going to reach above the single digits for the high temperature today. Here's a look at the comparison of temperatures versus wind chill. Although we are above zero for temperatures today, our wind chill temperatures are going to remain below zero in the negatives for the day today, making it feel a lot colder than the actual temperature. So we are seeing mostly sunny skies. Temperatures are in the single digits. Overnight tonight, we will see an increase in clouds, also an increase in temperature, looking like temperatures will reach the teens by tomorrow morning. Our high temperature tomorrow looks to be in the low 30s with a few snow showers possible up north. It remains warm overnight Wednesday into Thursday with lows only in the 20s. It will be mostly cloudy on Thursday with the high in the low 30s and a few scattered snow showers possible. So for today, we have a high of just 8 degrees. It is bitterly cold outside. Overnight tonight, we have a low below 0 at first, but then we will rise to the teens overnight with increasing clouds. So that is why today is our Storm Tracker 2 alert day. It is going to feel pretty warm tomorrow in comparison to today. Looking at temperatures in the low 30s. Some snow showers are possible on Thursday, and it does get colder once again for the weekend. Back to you, Gary.
4 times as warm tomorrow.
I know, it's going to feel real toasty tomorrow.
Hannah, thanks. New York is urging...
I'm Kristen Copeland.
I'm Jason Powlish. First it was the ice, then it was the snow, and today it's the cold, and the temperatures are dangerous.
Don't let the sun fool you. We started the day below 0, and with the wind chill, -25. We start tonight in the Weather Center, where Chief Meteorologist Bill Cardis has the information to keep us safe.
Yeah, that's right. Just very cold temperatures continue. We have lost the wind today. Winds are calm, so the wind chill is not quite as cold. Still, it's a tough go if you're heading out this evening. You want to dress nice and warm. We are still looking at frigid temperatures. A live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. It is dry. We've seen a decent amount of sunshine today, but that has not helped to warm up the temperature. We've only made it to 5 degrees. That's our current temperature. And again, the winds have gone calm. Over the next few hours, we do fall below 0, but temperatures will be slowly warming up as we head into tonight, and that warm-up continues throughout tomorrow. Tomorrow, temperatures will be almost 30 degrees warmer compared to where we stand now, but then we have more frigid weather ahead and a more active weather pattern as we head into the weekend and early next week. So it looks like winter is going to be settling in as it continues to do so here throughout the week. We are looking at temperatures, again, 5 degrees above 0 to 5 degrees below 0 over the next couple of hours. Cold and dry. We will be tracking, again, our next round of some much colder weather. Look at that forecast is coming up. Back over to you.
Bill, thank you.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Cardis.
Good evening. Frigid conditions continue as we head into this evening. Temperatures will briefly fall below 0 over the next couple of hours. Let's take a live look outside. This is our Cat V tower cam. So again, a very cold night ahead. We are looking at daylight, though, or at least twilight, I should say. The sunset today, 4:46. That is 21 minutes later than it was this time last month. The days slowly getting longer as, again, we move away from the winter solstice, which took place on December 21st. It is dry if you're heading out this evening. It's cold. Temperatures are near 0, especially north. Loudville 1 degree, Big Moose 4 below 0, Dolgeville with the temperature of 3 degrees, Whitesboro 3. Across the southern valleys, Skanevis 5, Sherburne 6, and Hamilton with 3 degrees. And again, we will fall below 0 for a few hours overnight as temperatures drop over the next few hours and then rise. Sidewalks both snowy and icy if you are going to be heading out this evening. Probably a good one to skip the dog walk tonight. It's just very cold out there. Make sure you're bringing your pets tonight as well, as temperatures will be below freezing, or below 0, I should say. Bigger picture, we are watching a push of warmer weather moving in from the west. Winds are going to be changing into the south, and this Arctic air is going to push to the east pretty quickly, or at least quicker than it typically does. And so temperatures tonight are expected to rise overnight. We'll start out tomorrow morning with temperatures in the teens and low 20s with mostly cloudy skies. Overcast conditions expected throughout most of Wednesday. Some light lake effect snow showers will be falling north of the Mohawk Valley. A very light accumulation is expected across northern Oneida County, Lewis County, and northern Herkimer County. Heading into Thursday, cloudy skies. Temperatures will be once again a lot warmer. We'll start out Thursday morning with temperatures in the low 30s. Thursday afternoon, just a few flurries in the air, but pretty quiet weather, high temperatures in the low 30s. Increasing clouds tonight, an early overnight low of 5 below 0, but again, temperatures will rise throughout the night, and we'll start out tomorrow morning with temperatures in the teens and low 20s. Cloudy skies tomorrow, a couple of light snow showers north. Your Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. On Thursday, again, some light snow is expected. Again, little accumulation, a high of 33. The weather turns cold again. Friday, partly sunny skies, 28 degrees on Saturday. So we're going to do this again. Some frigid conditions although I don't think we'll see the winds quite as strong Saturday. And then we start to warm up again with temperatures in the 20s. So plenty of winter weather ahead.
And that sun, it's deceiving.
It is.
It seems
yeah.
to be when we finally get the sunshine is when the temperatures drop.
Yeah.
All right, Bill, thank you. Pastor Mike Ballman of dangerously cold today.
Let's get you right back to the Weather Center where Chief Meteorologist Bill Cardis is tracking those cold temperatures. Bill.
Yeah, that's right. We're looking at temperatures in the single digits this evening. We will fall below zero tonight. We will not be dealing with the wind chill that we saw this morning. It got down to 19 below zero, the wind chill at Griffiths with a low temperature officially of 7 below zero. Let's take a look at snowfall stats. We did pick up some snowfall. The heaviest snow yesterday fell across the North Country. Utica missed a lot of this. We picked up about 2 inches of snow, so 14.4 inches for the season. We are running a deficit of 25 inches. So again, a feast up north. Snow famine continues for the Mohawk and Southern Valleys. We don't have much snow in the forecast, at least for the next couple of days, just some very light accumulations on Wednesday and Thursday. But the overall weather pattern does look favorable for snow. As we look at the long range, temperatures look to be below average. We're looking at the radar this evening. Things are looking pretty quiet. I wanted to take a moment to kind of work backwards here and rewind the clock. We're going to go back to yesterday, and I just wanted to talk about the snow squalls. We were expecting them to occur across the Mohawk Valley. They didn't. One of the reasons why is that dry air got involved here. That band ended up dropping south, but because winds were predominantly from the north to northeast, the eastern end of that band did fall apart. That's pretty unusual to see that. Usually Arctic fronts produce snow squalls, but we definitely dodged them yesterday. We're not dodging the cold weather. We're still cold tonight, down into the single digits to below zero over the next few hours. Some warmer weather to follow, though. Look at that forecast is coming up. Jason, back to you.
Bill, thank you. It's not too late to apply for
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Cardis.
Good evening. Frigid conditions tonight. We will not be dealing with the wind that we saw earlier today, so the wind chills will not be an issue tonight. Temperatures still very cold. Will fall below zero over the next couple of hours. Live look at our CAV tower cam overlooking the city of Utica. We are looking at dry conditions heading out. Live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. When it gets this cold, the air just doesn't have the ability to hold all that much water in it. So cold air always equals very dry air, especially when the air temperature is below 10 degrees, which it is today. So the humidifier coming in handy. You'll likely need the humidifier again as we head into the end of the week and weekend as the air continues to be very dry. We have another round of some bitterly cold temperatures as we start the weekend. Temperatures this evening, Barneveld 1 degree, Alder Creek 1 below zero, Old Forge 4 below zero. Looking at Schuyler 2 below zero, Boonville 0, Clinton 2. Across Southern Valley, Sequoia 1, Richfield 3, Cooperstown 2, and Milford checking in with 3 degrees. And again, do expect temperatures to fall below zero over the next couple of hours. Winds are going to change direction as a warm front moves through. We can see some cloud cover with this. This is our weather for tomorrow. Temperatures are expected to rise throughout tonight. So usually the overnight low happens right before daybreak. Tomorrow, it's going to be a little bit different. Temperatures are going to rise throughout the night as clouds and a south wind kick in. We're starting out tomorrow morning with temperatures in the teens and low 20s. Cloudy skies throughout Wednesday. A few light snow showers are expected north of the Mohawk Valley. A light accumulation of snow. Temperatures will be in the low 30s throughout the afternoon. So it will be significantly less cold tomorrow. Tomorrow night, the weather remains cloudy and more cloud cover is expected on Thursday. Temperatures Thursday afternoon, once again in the low 30s. Some more light snow showers as a push of some colder weather starts to move into the region. Increasing clouds tonight, an early overnight low of 5 below zero. Tomorrow, much less cold. Some snow showers taking place north of the valley. Again, little accumulation is expected with high temperatures in the low 30s. Your Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. Thursday, light snow showers. Again, little accumulation is expected. Temperatures in the low 30s. We are looking at colder weather again. Friday looks windy. Temperatures will be in the low 20s. Big drop in the temperature for Saturday, a high of only 8. Overnight lows will be well below zero. Sunday, some sunshine, 21. We are keeping an early eye on Monday with the potential of snow. Temperatures in the upper 20s. Some sunshine returns on Tuesday with temperatures in the mid 20s.
Bill, thank you.
I'm Kristen Copeland. The top story of the day came with your first step outside. Frigid, dangerous temperatures, and with the wind chill, it felt even colder.
No question. It's a deep chill, the kind that goes right to your bones. Cold, you can practically see, hear, and smell. And if you were out and about early today, well, you certainly felt it. And after a mild December, winter has certainly hit January like a frosty slap to the face. But should we expect these sub-zero temperatures to last? Let's get over to Chief Meteorologist Bill Cardis. He has all the answers for us tonight. Good evening, Bill.
Well, Jason, it usually does. We usually get these cold days at least consecutively, but we're going to climb out of this very quickly. And by tomorrow, this chill is going to be a thing of the past, at least for a little while. Let's take a look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. We are looking at quiet conditions. We only made it to 5 degrees today. Our official low at Griffiths, 7 below zero. We are sitting at 2 degrees with clear skies at wind chill at 8 below. Our coldest wind chill at Griffiths, 19 below zero, again earlier this morning. The weather is going to turn cold tonight. We'll fall below zero over the next few hours, but we will not be contending with the wind tonight, so the wind chill not as much of an issue. Temperatures will slowly warm up overnight. It is looking much less cold tomorrow. Looking ahead, another round of frigid weather is expected as we head into the start of the weekend. Again, it's cold this evening. Temperatures fall below zero over the next few hours. We are tracking some warmer weather to follow, though. Look at that forecast is coming up. Jason, back to you.
Bill, thank you. A warming center in Utica that serves the most vulnerable.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Cardis.
Good evening. A frigid day across central New York. Our official high only 5 degrees at Griffiths. As we head into tonight, temperatures are expected to fall below zero. Let's take a live look at our CAV Tower Cam. It is clear. We saw some sunshine earlier today, but again, it did not help with the temperature. As we continue into tonight, temperatures will slowly rise, which is really unusual. Usually our overnight low is right before daybreak, but weather conditions are going to be different tonight. Live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Again, the weather does remain dry. Winds turn into the south. That's going to bring in some much warmer temperatures here for tomorrow. It will be breezy on Wednesday. The winds are light Thursday. The windiest day of the next 7 looks to be on Friday before breezy conditions settle back here as we head into Saturday. It's already below zero in some cases already this evening. Old Forge 4 below zero, Alder Creek 1 below, Boonville 0, Clinton 2, Middleville 6, across Southern Valleys, Frankfort 4, Edmonston 4, and Morris checking in with 5 degrees. Secaucus with only 1 degree. And again, we'll expect overnight lows to fall below zero over the next couple of hours. Again, winds turn into the south. This is going to bring in a warm front. You can see some clouds to the west and a couple of very light snow showers. This is going to push the Arctic air pretty quickly out of our area. And you can see what happens with temperatures tonight. They do slowly rise. By 8 o'clock tomorrow morning, cloudy skies. Temperatures will be in the teens and low 20s. Tomorrow afternoon, we are keeping an eye on some very light snow taking place across the North Country. A weak disturbance kicking off some light lake effect snow, just a light accumulation expected. Temperatures will be in the low 30s. Cloudy skies continue for tomorrow night, not nearly as cold, overnight lows in the 20s. And then Thursday, cloudy skies continue with more light snow chances with temperatures in the low 30s. We will see an Arctic front arrive as we head into Friday night. That's going to bring temperatures back into the single digits as we start the weekend. Increasing clouds tonight, low temperature 5 below zero. Tomorrow, a pretty significant rebound into the low 30s for the high. Cloudy skies against some snow showers to the north. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. Snow showers Thursday 33. It turns windy on Friday and it turns much colder throughout the day. Friday's high only 20. We are only looking at a high of 8 degrees Saturday. We are well below zero Friday night as well as Saturday night. Sunday, sunshine, low 20s. And we are tracking some snow as we look ahead to Monday, sunshine, Tuesday, temperatures in the mid-20s. Back over to you.
Bill, thank you. Still to come on News Channel 2 at SICAS with Chief Meteorologist Bill Cardis. Cold conditions out there right now, Bill.
Yeah, it is cold out there, but temperatures are going to be rising tonight as warmer air works in. Let's take a live look at our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. It is dry, it is quiet. Our current temperature is 6 degrees, the high for the day. And that's because, again, we are expecting cloud cover and warmer weather to arrive. Our low this morning was 7 below zero. And this afternoon, our high was 5 up until the last reading here. And as we look at our weather headlines, temperatures will slowly continue to rise throughout the course of tonight. We're expecting much less cold weather for tomorrow and a return to frigid weather as we head into the start of the weekend. Increasing clouds tonight, temperatures again rising, so that low is earlier. We'll see temperatures climb through the single digits and into the low 20s by tomorrow morning. A look at that forecast is coming up. Jason, back to you.
That could feel balmy. Thank you, Bill. In this type of cold weather, though, you do want to keep your house warm for comfort and to avoid your pipes from being frozen. So we checked in with the experts at Fred F. Collis & Sons in Yorkville, and they have several recommendations. First, change your furnace filter. Also, make sure all your heating vents are open, and if you have a programmable thermostat, run it on hold. That will keep the temperature steady all day.
Keep the system running because it's really doing its, 100% performance today. This is what we pay the system to do is today. This weekend's supposed to be even colder, so keep your thermostat set 68, 70 degrees wherever you're comfortable, and just don't go up and down until the weather starts getting back up to normal numbers.
Also, make sure you check your oil and propane gauges to make sure you have enough fuel for a cold snap. That said, it's nice if you shovel a path to your tanks for the delivery people. Happening tomorrow, the town of
Most dependable weather team. Here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Good evening. We're taking a live look outside. This is our Cavity Tower Cam, clearly seeing the city of Utica. It's cold. We dropped close to zero just after sunset. But unlike most nights, temperatures are going to warm up as we head into tomorrow morning. This is because we have cloud cover rolling in. Winds are picking up into the south, pushing away some Arctic air. So by tomorrow morning, we start out in the low 20s. That is atypical. Usually our coldest time is right before daybreak. Live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. As you can see, all the radar sites scanning the region, and it's looking nice and quiet. We're focused on the wind this evening. We have breezy conditions for tomorrow as a push of warm air works in from the south. A break from the wind Thursday. Friday is looking windy. That is due to a cold front that's going to bring in some bone-chilling air to our region as we head into Saturday. If you're working outdoors tomorrow, again, a lot more tolerable, at least temperature-wise, compared to today. We're up to 32 for the high. That is going to feel balmy compared to today's high, at least this afternoon, of 5 degrees. The radar and satellite image, here come the clouds moving in from the west. You can see this is part of a weather system, a warm front. This does produce some very light snowfall as we head into tomorrow. Conditions cloud over by tomorrow morning. Temperatures again start out warmer than we are now in the low 20s to the upper teens. And again, we do expect to see some light snow taking place tomorrow, generally north of the Mohawk Valley, areas that have already seen a lot of heavy snow. Could pick up another inch or two of accumulation throughout the day and tonight, and overnight, I should say. Heading into Thursday, cloudy skies, temperatures remain relatively mild in the low 30s with more light snow showers. A big change in the weather is expected heading into Friday. A cold front sweeps through the region, and we'll see a big drop in the temperature. Rising temperatures tonight will start out tomorrow morning in the low 20s. And will continue to rise as we head into the afternoon, a high of 32. Again, some light snowfall north with some light accumulation, cloudy skies and dry elsewhere. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. Thursday, again, more light snow showers, 33. Windy and cold Friday, a high of 20. Temperatures drop again. We might be doing another alert day for Saturday, a high of 8 degrees, another frigid day. Sunday's high 21. Some snow to track on Monday. Sunshine returns Tuesday. Temperatures in the mid-20s. Jason.
All right, Bill, thank you. Coming up next.